Finding peace through the dark cloud of guilt. The turning point. Finding peace through the dark cloud of guilt. Let go of the past and embrace the present with peace and happiness. Maria had carried a heavy burden of guilt for years. She tried to shake it off. But it was always lurking in the shadows, ready to pounce on her at any moment. One day, she stumbled upon a video from ACIM Inspiration, and as she listened to the speaker's soothing voice, she felt her body relax. Then came the phrase that changed everything. Dark cloud of guilt, no more impenetrable, no more substantial. The words hit her like a lightning bolt, and she felt a surge of hope. She closed her eyes and breathed deeply, letting the words sink in. Over the next few days, she returned to the video, feeling more empowered each time. She started to meditate regularly, focusing on letting go of the guilt and finding peace. It wasn't easy, and there were still moments when the guilt threatened to drag her back down. But she persevered, determined to overcome it once and for all. And slowly but surely, the dark cloud began to lift. Maria felt lighter, happier, and more at peace with herself and the world around her. Years later, she looked back on that moment as the turning point in her life. The day when she finally let go of the past and embraced the present, with all its joys and sorrows. And she knew that it was all thanks to the simple but powerful phrase that sparked a new beginning for her. Dark cloud of guilt, no more impenetrable, no more substantial. Thanks for watching.